So let's sum a little bit up what we've done in the first nine videos. We spoke about the start of the tour, about the official start, which is in serie at 11, but why it's really worth to be there 10 to 15 minutes earlier and to speak to the people and to give them added value for being on time. And then when you officially start at 11 o'clock, how to do it in a bit more interesting way than just saying, hi, my name is, and I'm the tour guide today. We also spoke about the end of the tour, how to interestingly end the tour. And generally, I said that knowing the first minute and the last minute by heart is definitely required. I wouldn't improvise the beginning and also at the end of the tour. Then we also spoke about the responsibility, that it's our responsibility to make sure that people understand us, why we should rather ask, am I being clear? Am I speaking loud enough? Rather than, can you hear me at the back? We also spoke about how to present yourself in a more interesting way than just, my name is, and I like this and this and this, and I'm going to do your tour today. We have also spoken about the content of the tour, how to make a long tour or a 100-minute speech interesting, how to keep people's interests throughout the tour by personalizing the tour. Then we also covered questions and answers, and I think this is one of the most difficult subjects, but how to answer difficult questions correctly. Now we're going to close this first series of tour guiding. On the next series, I'd like to talk a bit more in depth about vulnerability, punctuality, and also about how to dress as a tour guide. But please text us if you feel that there are like any other subjects we should definitely include in these videos so that we can also include them. Thank you very much.